lighting, all will controlled by the control building here. We'll control the control building. I will show you control building. There is one SCADA system is there. The control from SCADA system. If any fire, anything happens, it will locate the location. And immediately we can.
Hello guys, welcome to we came for a tunnel visit here. There is a control room that all the powers of electrics are controlled from here. That this much, how much power to be given. There is a panel that controls the whole power, and it's a panel. So now all the students of Nigma came here, and this one. Guys, this is the tunnel reinforcement going on. Actually, they use 20 to 25 mm bars here. We use that reinforcement is being used for strength, and this is the excavator that get used to excavate the tunnel, and this is a crane that are used to set up that cement and all and binding materials, and this is the whole tunnel reinforcement details. All the students, and that has a powerhouse of that tunnel. From where we get power and all electricity, fireproof, and there is a tank. If any fire mishappening happens, an automatic sensor is installed in that tunnel. That switches automatically on, and after that a spray gets on, and this tunnel get automatically fire safety methods, and that is having a water tank is a precaution safety measure to calculate all the pre-have tank. That is having sensor that already are there. Okay, if any fire happens, and in express highways we don't use that water. When water runner on, they use that mist one. Mist gets automatically on. After that, any fire happening happens here. Thank you. Let's see afterwards, and let's see go inside and what's happening outside. Guys, this is the whole tunnel. Actually, they are making the water due to curing, due to increasing its strength. Due to curing for increasing strength, and that's the tanker that cures. Curing is done to increase the strength of this concrete. We do curing one day, again and again to increase the strength. After that, when it gets completed, the project gets completed, curing gets done, and we got the actual strength. And after the submission of the whole project submission, we got this huge ducts for air ventilation, and these are the ducts and for the lighting and all. And this tunnel is of 1400 meters. It's not large tunnel, but it is a tunnel of 1400 meters that is used. And we use very materials that we have got an educational site visit here for visitation, and these all are groups. Actually, we came here to start. I'm not confirmed. Don't quote me on that. That this is the end or start of the tunnel. See this beautiful view, and there's a bridge with piers and columns are made. It's still under construction, and this is the start and this is the end. From one way and they came. I'm not confirmed to go there and come back, but it's a very good construction, and this was made by in the presence of Sri Nitin Gadkari sir, and this is the major view of this. You can see major scenic view, and we came from these buses from Nigma University, Pune, and this is the I think I must be wrong, but it's one way only. We go back, and this is exit. This is exit, and this is the entry. So, and this is a whole tunnel, and thus, and you guys must be thinking what type of concrete or strength of concrete was used. Usually we used N30 the grade of concrete here, and N30 grade of concrete, and the diameter of the bars was 20 to 25 mm, and you can see all the constituent of that. And this is a tunnel, and perspective major advantage, no TBM was used here, and more excavation. This bus we came from here, and these are all our students, and the students were of Nigma University, and this is a scenic view from here. This is a view. This is a whole view, and there's a generator that powers. And I'm having a suggestion here. Currently they use that wire power electric, because the power they need in megawatts. So my suggestion for their, well, it's appropriate, it must be appropriate or non-appropriate, but my suggestion for there is we can use solar here, because this is, I think this is in remote area near solar power, because solar is sustainable and it's efficient also. So we can have a solar connection there, and that must be used. All the megawatts of currents are used. So to become cost efficient, we use this. We can use solar energy here. So guys, this is a view, and let's see afterwards. Whole scenic view of this tunnel, and this is a whole there's a highway, and from where we came, this is under construction, and this is a joint. Bridge cannot be made in that long way, because we use precast in that, and this is the and what every problems usually they used to face, bridge they construct, but problem is that leakage, seepage, because earlier in our hometown, in Nagpur already, I am not taking the name of anyone, but a bridge is there, but they don't have any repair and maintenance. As a reason, that bridge gets clogged in water, and the dust came and dust particles get cleaned and that. So what happens, you can see, due to non-maintenance of the structure, the bridge gets more water, and water will show some that outsiders, and water will go upwards, but water will make its way to God. So there will be more leakage and more deterioration of that bridge. So major reason was the seepage. We don't know proper maintenance. So this is the expansion joint of the bridge. I think I'm correct. This is the expansion joint. You must be quoted me on that, right? But this is a whole beautiful scenic view, and from there we came. We can see tunnel has started and ended. It's a one way. You cannot go one way only. 3-lane tunnel. Tunnel is of 3 lanes. First one must be of car, overspeeding cars. Second one is of buses, normal way. And the third one is of heavy vehicles. That heavy vehicle, and the whole scenic view of this bridge. So it's very good, very good. And currently company based in Hyderabad, contract of, and their construction is very good. And this is the building body. It's not possible for everyone to cast in that site only. So we use precast, we make precast, we assemble it, and it will be very easy for us to assemble everything. So the whole tunnel view, this is the trucks and all. So I will show something afterwards. Provided an expansion joint, and the joint is made very deep inside. There's the precast structures, and there's the whole site. And afterwards the students and all. The expansion joint, because we must be careful walking here, because sometimes what happens is due to low maintenance, the structure gets deteriorated, because low maintenance and no clearing of that water drainage system. So water will make its way ultimately. So water will mug up, and ultimately water gets outside from here. Water will make its way. So by chance, if it happens, the whole structure gets deteriorated. And this is the whole tunnel view. I talked about it earlier, but the major reason, I'll show you. Wait. This is the whole water drainage system, but it needs to be cleared. In what ways? It should be maintained. If there is a water and it doesn't need any clear, it will make its way. So the whole structure will get leakage, seepage and all. So leakage, seepage happens in concrete. It gets ingress, and we are studied in. So, but through package we can get cracks and deterioration, and after severe. So can be structure gets collapsion of structure. And this is our side project, and that's the whole excavator that is used, and there are dumper trucks that is used. That is our bus. That's the whole scenic view of here. Thank you, listening.